today I'm going to give you the Google Meet app review. This app was paid at first, but in response to the growing demand for online video conferences, Google has made this app free, and you can use this app as an alternative to Zoom or WhatsApp for hosting or attending your online web conferences. So we are going to go over the free features that you can access in the Google Meet app first, and after that I'm going to download the app and show you the kind of experience you can get when you go on the app. If you want such useful videos to appear in your feed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to keep updated with the content. So the first feature of Google Meet is that you can connect with anyone and invite up to 100 participants into a meeting. If you are using the free version of Google Meet, anyone you invite will need to sign in with a Google account to join the meeting for added security. This won't be an issue as 7 out of 10 people have Google IDs, so anyone who is entering the meeting will have a hassle-free experience. The second feature is of live captioning during the meeting. So if someone is speaking, you can turn on the live captions so that whatever he's speaking will be translated real time onto the screen and you can understand the other person more clearly. To turn on closed captions, you have to click the 3 dots on the Meet screen to bring up the option. The third feature is that Google Meet is compatible across devices, so you can use it on desktop, laptops, or on your phones, may they be Android or iPhone or even on an iPad. The next feature is if you want to join a meeting, and if you click on a meeting code or a link before joining the meeting, you can adjust your camera and mic and see how you look before entering the meeting. You will also be able to see who has already joined the meeting. The next feature is the adjustable layouts and screen settings. So Google Meet automatically switches the layout in a video meeting to display the most active content participants, and you can be sure that you will be able to see the person who is speaking on the screen. The next feature is the accessibility of controls for meeting hosts. So anyone in the meeting can easily pin, mute, or remove participants, but for privacy reasons, you can not unmute another person, but you can ask them to unmute their audio. The next feature that Google Meet offers is screen sharing with participants. So participants or hosts can present the entire screen or an application window to share presentations or collaborate on documents. The next feature is messaging with participants, so you can make your Google Meetings more engaging with live messaging during calls, and things like files, links, and other messages can be shared with other participants by clicking on the chat icon. These messages are only available during the meeting, so remember to take a snapshot or copy and save the messages if you want to access them after the meeting. The next feature is its easy integration with the Google Suite and other Microsoft apps, so anyone can join meetings directly from their Gmail or their Google Calendar, and also Microsoft Office users can be added to an invite and see meetings onto their Microsoft Outlook calendar. Talking about the security and privacy, so it being a Google product, it is very secure, compliant, and respects the user's privacy. It has anti-abuse features on by default to keep the meeting safe. So for example, the Google Meet has anti-hijacking features, secure meeting controls, and supports multiple two-step verification options including security keys. It also has encryption in transit on by default, which makes your Google Meet conversations more secure, and it is compliant to support regulatory requirements. Google Meet also respects the user's privacy, and it does not have user attention tracking feature or softwares. Google Meet does also not use consumer data for advertising, and it also does not sell customer data to third parties. Apart from that, Google Meet also has industry solutions for industries like education, healthcare, and non-profits. And if anyone wants to explore more about this, they can click on the URL or link that I will post in the description of this video. So these were the free features and the security features for Google Meet. And now I will download the app and show you how the user interface looks like. So I go onto the Play Store and I search on Google Meet, and I click on the Google Meet icon and I click on install. It's a really soft, small app and download within seconds. And now it has downloaded and installed itself. And now I will click on open to open the Google Meet software that is downloaded onto my personal device. And as you can see, it has opened the Google Meet app and the user interface seems really clean. So I will click on continue, and I have to give Meet to take pictures and record video permission so that I can attend and host video conferences on the Meet app. So I'll click on allow, and I also have to allow Meet to record audio so that whatever I'm speaking in the meeting can be heard by other users or participants. So I'll click on allow, and then I have to associate the Google Meet app with one of my Gmail accounts. So I will do that. And as now you can see, I am on the home page of the Google Meet app, and the interface seems really simple to use. So for example, if you want to host a new meeting, or if you have a meeting code and you want to join a meeting, you can click on meeting code, you can enter the meeting code, and you can click on join meeting to join the meeting. If you want to enter a new meeting, you can click on new meeting, and here as you can see, it has entered into a new meeting, and you can share this meeting invite by clicking on share. And as soon as you click on share, there are a lot of options that you can share this with. So you can use WhatsApp or Bluetooth or email or any software on your mobile phone to basically share this meeting code. Let's just close this, and now as we can see, we are in the meeting. And if I click on the icon below the video, this pins me to the top of the meeting, and if I'm the host, I can do this to let others take notice. The other option, if I click on this, is messaging. So I can type a message here to any and send it, and this message will be sent across to all the participants or users in the meeting. I can also share files and other documents through the messaging folder. Now I will tap on the screen, and here I can see that I have three options. The first option is to mute myself, which turns my microphone off. The second option is to end the meeting, and the third option is to turn off the video. So if I click on this, my video will be off and my profile picture will display. There are some other options as well. If you click on the three dots on the top right hand portion of the screen, if you click on it, so you have an option of switching the camera. So if you click on this, the camera will switch to the rear camera. The turn off captions, as I told you, the free features will enable you to understand what others are speaking more clearly by turning on the closed captions. The present screen option is the share screen option that you can use to present any documents or presentation that you have with other participants in the meeting and collaborate successfully. And these are some report problems or report abuse features that you can use to report any problem or report the misuse or inappropriate use of the Google Meet app. Now I will end the meeting, and this is how the meeting ends. And this is the user experience of when you download the Google Meet app and enter into it. And this is a very clean app and very easy to use, and it's very intuitive as well. So I hope you found the review of the app and the free features that you can access it to be satisfactory. And according to me, this is a more secure app than Google. And if you're using this, if you have a small team, you can use this app to collaborate effectively. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you can keep updated on the content that I post online. And if you have any problems in using Google Meet, please let me know in the comments or email me on the email address given so that I can get back to you and help you simplify technology. Stay safe, signing off.